Dear students, these days we are learning how to change the sentences into passive voice, and at the same time we are revising tense. Today we shall learn how to change present perfect tense into passive form. We have already discussed that all the sentences are either in active voice or in passive voice. At first, we must know what is present perfect tense. It is used to express an action completed in the immediate past. Immediate past means just now. Perfect means any work is completed. Any work is completed, that is called perfect. So the structure will be third form of verb. Structure. Subject plus has oblique have plus in all the perfect tenses there is a use of third form of the verb because any work is perfect or completed plus object or completed complement. In any sentence, object also or complement. In some sentences, only object. In some sentences, only complement. Now we have to take the exemplary sentences. For all the tenses, we have to take first exemplary sentences. And all those exemplary sentences are in simple present tense. Number 1, Rita writes poems. Simple present tense. Number 2, Ravi makes a kite. The baby throws stones. The teacher teaches me. And number 5, the peon rings the bell. These are the exemplary sentences of simple present tense. What we have to do first? At first, we have to change all the 5 sentences into present perfect tense. structure is already given, and according to the pattern of this structure we have to change all the 5 sentences of simple present tense into present perfect tense. At first change. Any work is perfect or completed in the immediate past just now. First, Rita. This is the structure. Rita is third person singular number. So the verb will be either has or have. What will be here? Has. Then third form of the verb. What is third form of the verb? Written. And then object, poems. No any complement in the sentence, so leave it. Now, rule. All the general rules we followed. At first, we interchange the subject and the object, and after the passive subject, we have to use helping verb. This is important. So, for changing into passive voice of this tense, which tense? Present perfect tense. Helping verbs are has been or have been. Helping verbs. And then all the general rules will be followed. Passive. At first, poems object will be changed into subject. Which type of subject? Passive subject. Poems. Poems is singular number or plural number? Plural number. So has been or have been? Have been. And after helping verb, the 3. In passive voice, we have to use third form of the verb. Poems have been written, and after V3, subject will be object. Which type of object? Active object, because this object is in action. So there are 2 types of objects, active object and passive object. This is active object. Okay, now take the screenshot. You have to change now all the 4 sentences into at first present perfect tense and then into passive voice. Homework. Change The rest exemplary sentences into present perfect tense and then change into passive voice. At first, into present perfect tense, it means those sentences will be into active voice and then change them into passive voice. This is the homework. Now let's take a fourth form of present tense. What is the fourth form? Present perfect continuous. It is used to express an action which begin at some time in the past. Sometime in the past means कुछ समय पहले, but is still continuing because the sentences are in perfect continuous tense, but it is still continuing or going on. What do we mean by this definition? Any work is perfect, any work is completed, and after the completion of that action, it is still continued or going on. Structure. It means the work is going on for a long time. Structure. As plus has been, oblique have been. Continuous means V4. Perfect means V3 plus object or complement. What is the exemplary sentence? Rita writes poems. This is the exemplary sentences. Now change it into, this is simple present tense. Change it into at first present perfect tense. It means active voice. Rita, third person singular number, two options, has been or have been. What will be here? Has been. Now before writing, then object, what? Poems. If we want to give compliment, then for 2 hours, or since Monday. So for the point of time we use since, and for the period of time we use for. In some traditional grammars, it has been seen that there is no possibility of passive voice, but in modern grammar we have seen that there is passive form of present perfect continuous tense also. Let's see. Passive. At first, object will be changed into subject. Poems. For Rita, singular has been. For poems, plural have been. There are two units, V1 and V4. So for ing, being, and for write, V3. Because we already know that in passive form there must be use of third form of the verb, written, and after V3 by, and subject will be changed into object. So there is possibility of changing the sentence of present perfect continuous tense into passive form. But this passive form is old and not in use. So there is homework. You have to change the rest 4 sentences only into active voice, means into present perfect continuous tense. Okay, exemplary sentences of simple present tense and not in passive form, because this passive form is not in use. SW, change all the exemplary sentences newest tense, but not in passive form. Present perfect continuous tense is not in use. That's why you have to change all the sentences of exemplary only into present perfect continuous tense, not in passive voice. Okay, change all the exemplary sentences into present perfect continuous tense, but not in passive voice, only in active voice. Okay, that's all.